Dog, I hate niggas who tie their Timbs up, bruh. Just let them bitches hang, bro. I hate niggas who tie their fresh air, man. Clear a nigga line, bro. We used to run around this way. It's a mile. It's a mile long. Big trail, mile long. Pond on there. Feed the ducks or something. That's all through there. They come back around to the others. Come back around all the way over there. Come back through here. It's fresh water, man. Getting in the mind right, man. Time to come out, sit out here and read. Sometimes we don't run out here. I ain't ran out here. Me and my girl. We just run out here. I just came to get a little fresh air, man. My nigga at the stool said he moving, so I can't get in the stool right now. Just can't get a little fresh air. I got a little time on my hands. Just like to sit up here and think, man. Let everything manifest. Put all your desires and intentions out to the world, man. Just let it marinate, man. Just let it sit, let it manifest. Put your intentions out to the world. The world not against you. People be saying that like, damn, man, it seems like the world against me right now, bro. Nah, man, they just trying to see how strong you is. Trying to see how strong you is, bro. Look at the little ducks. The little duck. Ain't got no bread. What I do is some bread, but it ain't that type of bread. You know what I'm saying? Them boys looking a little thick, though. Like, y'all been eating too good. Like, I'm just out here, man. Feeling the vibrations, bro. Trying to let the universe pick up on my vibrations, man. My intentions is pure. My desires is pure right now. Kind of focused. I see what I want to do, see what I need to do. Just about applying pressure, man. Full court press on that shit, man. It ain't gonna change unless you know what I'm saying, unless you make it change. You gonna want it to change, but that don't mean it's gonna change. You gotta make it change. You gotta do the necessary things, even though you don't want to. Sometimes we can't do what we want to do. Hey. You get Dad of the Year award, man. You get Dad of the Year, man.
One. Yeah.
Shout out to the girl dads. Shout out to the dads in general, but shout out to the girl dads. Y'all got it. Y'all got a little tough on y'all, man. You know, I got a piss though. How you doing, man? Oh, good. The little doggies. How you doing? I got little buns, little bum buns. It's out here in nature, man. It was some nigga, so you probably can't even see him. A nigga right there in the green shirt blended in like a motherfucker. Somebody right there, yeah, it's them right there, yeah. Yeah, it's the nature though, man. I'm a real Pisces, man. I like to be in nature. Feel me? This where you let your thoughts out at. You know what I'm saying? You can just be still. Let the earth do its thing. Congratulations, congratulations. Let the earth do its thing, you know what I'm saying? Nobody come over here on no bullshit tonight. You just come clear their mind. How you doing? What's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing, man? What's up, bro? Yeah, man, you find everybody out here. Everybody going through something in life. Everybody trying to get something off their mind. All type of shit, man. It's been raining all week, the last 2 weeks. All type of shit, man. They know I'm up to something. That's why they know I'm up to something. They trying to slow me down. You know what I'm saying? They trying to slow me down. I can't let them slow me down. You know what I'm saying? I don't know when I'm gonna drop some music. Gotta give me the 25 subscribers, I'll drop a song. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start making deals with y'all. Give me the 25 subscribers, I'll drop a song. Give me the 50 subscribers, my 50th subscriber, I'll give you $50. My 100 subscriber, I'll give you $100. I'm for real about this shit, man. I feel miserable, nigga. Just feel miserable going to work, bro. I just feel so out of place, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just feel so out of place at work. And I ain't saying working, there ain't nothing wrong with working, you feel me? Like I said, I don't work before. I have plenty of jobs, good paying jobs, all type of shit. 3-day-a-week jobs. But don't nothing feel better than being on your own time. And being able to move when you want to move and how you want to move, bro. It's like being in the streets, nigga. I ain't even gonna say just hustling, bro. Just hustling. When you think about it, well, I'm just a different nigga, but I wasn't looking to fall in love with the hustle or the streets. I was looking to fall in love with the fact that I was free, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Make my money when I want to, how I want to, when, how it come. I control everything. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about, man. Just being in control, man. We go to work, man. Our job controls us, nigga. You don't want to go to that motherfucker, but you got to, cause them bills come. When bills still come, you scared to take a chance. You scared to take a chance. But deep down inside, you know, when you take that chance, it's gonna work. But you just scared because you ain't never did it. You got comfortable. I don't know what kind of bird that was. Flew by. Got comfortable going to work. Never felt comfortable going to work, bro. Never felt comfortable. No matter how long I had a job. The longest I ever had a job was like 11 months. Still didn't feel comfortable. You know what I'm saying? We gotta take chances, bro. We gotta take risks. It's the only way that life is gonna change. Man, my granny been telling me since I was little that I was chosen, I was different, man. You know what I'm saying? I believe that shit. And I don't want that. I don't want that, bro. I know how to make shit move. I don't want that, bro. I don't want that for my kids. It's not even about me. I don't want that for my kids. I don't want my kids to go to work. You know what I'm saying? We living in a time right now. All you need is 30, 60 days. You a millionaire. With the right, you know what I'm saying? With the right sauce. You need 30, 60 days. You a millionaire, man. I got a piss though, man.
Oh, Kobinasha.
Wish wealth and prosperity and success on everybody. Yeah, man, I'm walking around this bitch a whole motherfucking mile, man. Damn near. Shit. Nigga tired, bro. Bro, you just got pissed, man. Get a little swig of the H2O. Dig what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Gold Rush OG and Gold Rush we trust. This is Gold Rush TV, man. Tap in, man. I'm going up. I'm going up with everything. I'm going up with everything, man.